How are you, student? Fine. Today we are in lecture number 4, group number 2 of S block elements, which is called name of group number 2 is alkaline earth metals. In the group number second, elements are calcium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. In group number 2, there are 6 elements. Atomic number is 4 of beryllium, then 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. So here elements are 6. So code will be 5, last 5. 2 we have to cancel. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 18, 38. 38 plus 18, 56. Then 32, it gives 88. All the elements of group number 2 are metallic. Out of 6, the last one, radium, is radioactive by nature. Electronic configuration: after helium 2s2, after neon 3s2, after argon 4s2, after krypton 5s2, after xenon 6s2, and after radon there is 7s2. So common configuration is Ns2. So outermost 2 electrons are present in group number second. Like alkali metals, alkaline earth metals are highly reactive. Highly reactive means it easily metal loses its 2 electron, and it became, after losing 2 electron, configuration will be inert like a gas. So it is not occur in nature in the free state, but it gives in the compound forms we can derive with silicate, Ca2SiO4, calcium silicate, in the form of sulfate, calcium sulfate, and in the form of phosphate. Group number 2 elements are highly reactive, so we can't get in free state. It not occur in nature in free state, but in the form of silicate, sulfate or phosphate and bicarbonate. In the form of bicarbonate it occurs. Why these elements are called alkaline earth metals? What is the reason? All the metals dissolve in water and gives hydroxide. So which is alkaline. Alkaline means basic, and elements occurs from earth crust. Oxide of the elements occur from the earth crust, so which are called alkaline earth metals. Their oxides are found in earth crust, are very stable to heat and fire. These oxides are very stable to heat and fire. In the presence of fire, it not decomposes. We are eating, it not decomposes, highly stable, and all the metals are, all the elements has a metallic properties like group number 1 elements. Now abundance, from where we are derives calcium is the fifth one by mass of earth crust. Yes, abundance by weight of the earth in the earth crust, which is on fifth position by weight from earth crust. Magnesium is on sixth position on the occurrence, where barium is on 14th. Then strontium is 15th, where beryllium, first one, beryllium is 51. Most abundant by weight in earth crust. Beryllium found in small quantity, not barium. Beryllium is found small quantity in the earth crust as silicate minerals like beryl, Be3, Al2, Si6 or 18, which is called beryl. Yes, asked in exam beryl, structure, molecular formula of the beryl. Then phenacite. What is phenacite? Be2SiO4 is a phenacite. Magnesium occurs in sea water 0.14%. Occurs in sea water 0.14% approximately in the form of chloride and sulfate. In the sea water it is as a magnesium chloride and magnesium sulfate. Now minerals of the magnesium are magnesite. Everybody knows about it. Magnesite, MgCO3. Then dolomite. Dolomite is a mixture of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, but sometimes in written CaMgCO3 twice, which is also dolomite. Now another minerals of the magnesium are Epsom salt. Epsom salt, MgSO4 7H2O. Sometimes is called epsomite. Yes, another name is epsomite. In our book, Epsom salt, 7H2O. Carnallite, everybody knows KCl, MgCl2 and 6H2O is carnallite. And leadminite, K2, Mg2, SO4 thrice is leadminite. lignite. Understood? Deposits in earth crust. Now, what about calcium? Calcium occurs as a carbonate form. The form of in the earth crust is a carbonate form. Calcium occurs in the earth crust as a calcium carbonate in the form of limestone. Many names of it: limestone. Another one is marble, and third one is a chalk. Important minerals of manganese calcium are gypsum. Everybody knows about it. Gypsum is a CaSO4 into 2H2O, and fluorapatite. Fluorapatite, Ca3PO4 twice CaF2. These are fluorapatite. Sometimes chlorapatite means only one chain. Here in this, instead of fluorine there should be chlorine. Chlorapatite. This one fluorapatite, this one chlorapatite, and this one is hydroxyapatite. Yes. What about strontium? Now minerals of these are the most IMP for unit and JEE. Strontium. Minerals of the strontium are only two: strontianite, SR03, which is carbonate form, then celestite, which is the sulfate form, strontium sulfate, strontium carbonate. Understood? Now next, some physical properties of the group number second, which is important: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. First ionization enthalpy in kilojoule per mole. First ionization enthalpy means needed heat to remove one electron from its outermost orbit. In the case of beryllium from 2s, 899 kilojoule per mole, and gradually decreases down the group, 737. You have to remember only sequence, not value. For better understanding, I am giving you value. 590, no need to remember values. In strontium 549, in the case of barium 503, but here radium is radioactive and outermost is complete 2 electron, and due to inert pair effect slightly increased. Now second ionization enthalpy always should be more. After removal of one electron, it will be +1. So now 4 protons and 3 electron. So attraction toward electron increased. So second ionization enthalpy is highest, 1757 kilojoule. Now 1450, then 1145, once again decreases, and 1064, once again decreases, 965 and 979, slightly increases in radium, exceptionally. Now what about melting point in Kelvin? Melting point of beryllium is 1562 Kelvin and less of magnesium is 924. But in the case of calcium, it increases 1124, then decreases 1062, then 1002 and 973. Here exception due to structure of the magnesium slightly decreases. So magnesium has a lowest melting point of all the elements of the group number second and highest having beryllium, lowest magnesium. What about boiling point? 2745 Kelvin. All the values are in Kelvin. 1363 degrees is. Now, in the case of calcium, slightly increases 1767, then 1655, then 2078. Yes, here is exceptional once again. And in last radium, it is 1973. Here 973, here 1973. You have to remember. Understood? These are the trend. Now comparison of ionization enthalpy. Before that, flame coloration. Yes, sir. Before that, flame coloration. In the flame, it gives a different type of colors. In the flame test, beryllium and magnesium is not giving any color. Due to higher ionization enthalpy, calcium and magnesium is not giving any color on the flame test. When we apply heat to the metal, so here beryllium has 2 electrons in second orbit, ionization enthalpy highest, so only heat is not enough to excitement of the electrons of the beryllium atom. So magnesium and calcium is not giving in flame test. Calcium gives a brick red. Yes, type of red color, brick red. Strontium gives a crimson color. Barium gives a green apple. Green colored apples like this. The general relationship of these elements are similar to that in group number 1. Another properties are similar with group number 1. Here, now we are going to compare ionization enthalpy. Here, ionization enthalpy, first ionization enthalpy of group number 2 element is higher of first ionization enthalpy of group number 1 element. Yes. Reason for that, we are comparing lithium with beryllium. Here is 3, here is 4. 1s2, 2s2. 1s2, 2s1. Beryllium is small in size than lithium due to small size. Another reason is effective nuclear charge. Here 4 proton on same distance 2 electron. Here 3 proton at same distance 1 electron. attraction is higher in the case of beryllium than lithium. So first ionization enthalpy is the higher of beryllium than lithium. Now what about second? Yes. After removal of one electron, lithium became plus 1, beryllium plus 1. So here is 1s2, 2s1. But here is 1s2. We have to remove second electron from the 2s orbital. Here, second electron we are removing from 1s orbital. So slightly more heat obviously needed. So second ionization enthalpy of group number first element is higher than second. This type of question is asked in the NEET. So remember this point. Now oxidation state. Element of group number 2 exists in +2 oxidation state. They exist in +2 M+2 oxidation state. Yes, sir. Why? Reason for that, after removal of 2 electron, it will be now helium, like a configuration which is inert. After removal of 2 electron, it acquires inert gas configuration. So, configuration. Understood? The existence of M+2 oxidation state due to formation enthalpy. Formation of enthalpy MgCl is minus 125 kilojoule per mole. In the case of MgCl2, formation enthalpy is minus 676.2 kilojoule per mole. So here release energy is highest. So MgCl2 is more stable than MgCl. So +2 oxidation state having compounds are more stable. So it not gives +1 oxidation state. But question rise in our mind. Ionization enthalpy is higher of second ionization. Yes. So why +2 is more stable than +1? For getting +2 oxidation state, applied heat should be more. Yes, no problem. But high hydration enthalpy. Yes. Hydration enthalpy of Mg+2 is highest. Mg+2 and Mg+1. Mg+2 is smaller in size than +1. Hydration enthalpy is more. So it compensates, balance ionization enthalpy. Here value is negative and it easily balances this ionization enthalpy. So it is more stable. Understood? Now metallic character. Metallic character. Group number 2 elements are highly electropositive and hence metallic. Yes. Group number 2 elements are highly electropositive, means easily removes electron, so that is called electropositive nature. Removal of electron. The metallic character increase down the group from top to bottom. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. Metallic character increases due to ionization, enthalpy decreases, so it easily removes electron. But they are less metallic. Less metallic than elements of group number 1, which are less metallic than group number 1. This due to small size. This due to small size and high ionization enthalpy. Element of group number 2 are smaller than group number 1 element. Here sodium, so here is magnesium. So elements of group number 2 are small, so metallic nature is less than group number 1. Group number 2 elements have high melting point and boiling point. Group number 2 elements have higher melting end compared to group number those of group number 2 elements have high melting point and boiling point due to small size than group number 1 elements. Their small size and more close packed crystal lattice. Their small size and close packed crystal lattice. Atoms are very close due to smaller size. So very close packing arrangement occurs. Now from top to bottom, boiling point we discussed and melting point is not regular, irregularly due to its arrangement in solid in liquid state. Melting point and boiling point no regular trend. Now reducing character, reducing agent, reducing character of group number 2 elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Reduction potential value means M plus 2 gains 2 electron into M. So it means that beryllium plus 2 into beryllium. So it gains 2 electron. Reduction potential value 1.97 volt. In the magnesium we know minus 2.36. In calcium it is minus 2.84. And now in strontium it is minus 2.89. In the barium it is 2.92 volt. Here we are converting into oxidation potential. So Be into Be plus 2, Mg into Mg plus 2. So it will be 1 point plus. Here plus 2.36 plus 2 point plus 2.89 plus 2.92. You can see oxidation potential increases whenever our element experiences oxidation, so which is called reducing agent. Nature is reducing character, which is increases from top to bottom. The less negative value of beryllium is due to high hydration energy. Beryllium has a great attraction toward water. Small size of beryllium and high positive value of enthalpy of atomization. And high atomization enthalpy. Atomization enthalpy is very high. Ionization enthalpy is high. Hydration enthalpy is negative. These two are positive. So sum of it gives less negative value due to addition of two positive value and one negative value of hydration enthalpy. So beryllium does not react with water or steam. Store in your mind. Beryllium is not react with water or steam of the water. It is very less reactive. Now, but calcium, strontium, barium, magnesium does not react with cold water but react with boiling water or steam. Magnesium does not react with cold water but react with boiling water or steam. Yes, sir. Where reactivity increases, we discussed. So, then after calcium, strontium and barium vigorously react with even cold water also. React with even cold water also and produces dihydrogen gas. Calcium with water gives calcium hydroxide and dihydrogen gas. Yes. Now solubility in ammonia. Like group number first element, solubility in ammonia of the group number second element. Like group number 1 metals, group metal 2 dissolves in liquid ammonia. To give metals dissolves in ammonia gives a deep blue color. Deep blue color in the solution, which is called ammoniated cations. Metal with ammonia which is called Am means ammoniated cation, and can be converted into another bronze color. The dilute solution are bright color in color. Due to solved electrons are concentrated solution are bronze color. Formation of metal cluster. Metal clusters. First of all, metal gives M plus 2 and 2 electron. So metal and electron are combined with electron gives ammoniated solution and gives a color. In the concentrated solution, at the mild solution it gives deep blue. In high concentration, it gives bronze like a color. Now formation of oxide and hydroxide of the group number second elements. Formation of oxide and hydroxides. Formation of oxides and hydroxides. All of them from oxides formula like MO type metallic oxide, except beryllium oxide. Other oxides, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, has a rock salt means NaCl type structure, means 6:6. One Na plus ion surrounded by 6 chloride and one chloride surrounded by 6, like this, not in beryllium oxide, which is a Wurtzite structure. Here is 4:4. Coordination number of beryllium is 4, oxygen as 4. Beryllium is surrounded by 4 oxygen, 1 oxygen surrounded by 4 beryllium. Here 6:6. Store in your mind. NaCl type of structure. They are very stable because high formation enthalpy negative value. They have high melting and boiling point. They have high melting point and boiling point. Have low vapor pressure. Yes, they have low vapor pressure. It not evaporates easily. They are very good conductor of heat. All the oxide. They are good conductors of heat. Good conductors of heat. They are chemically inert. Non-reactive, chemically inert. I am talking about oxide. Act as a electrical insulator. Electrical insulator means which not allowed to pass electricity. So that is why this oxide are used for the basic lining of furnace and hence used in refractory materials. So these oxides are used in refractory purpose. Means in the funnel ore is made of this type of oxide. Why? It is highly stable at high temperature. It is not decomposes. Here beryllium oxide is covalent by nature. Due to Fajans rule, is the covalent. Which one is covalent? Beryllium oxide. Size of beryllium is very small, so polarity occurs. An electron moves toward beryllium. So there is covalent character in the case of beryllium oxide. And it is a reactor. It has a high melting and the boiling point. And structure we discussed like a ZnS 4:4. All this oxide except beryllium oxide react with water. To form sparingly soluble hydroxide. This reaction, the reaction of this oxides with water is called slaking. Beryllium hydroxide by nature amphoteric, while others, this one amphoteric, while others are basic by nature. So magnesium hydroxide, calcium, strontium and barium are basic by nature, but beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric. Now in this case from beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium hydroxide, top to bottom, solubility increases. Yes, this is trick. Solubility, thermal stability, basic character, from top to bottom increases. Why? Metallic character increases. Now bond with OH became strong. Solubility increases, thermal stability increases and basic character increases down the group of the hydroxide. Now halide, last point. What about halides? Group number 2 element gives a halide. It combines with halogen and gives the halides. Halides of group number second elements. All the halides of this metal are ionic except beryllium dihalide. Beryllium dihalide is covalent. exist only in the gaseous state. In the gas phase means gaseous state. Beryllium chloride only in the gaseous phase possible. But in condensed phase means many molecules are together, it is called condensed phase. It exists as polymer, means many molecules are together, polymer. The tendency to form halide hydrated means water having. Hydrated gradually decreases down the group. For example, MgCl2 exists with the 6H2O, calcium chloride with 6H2O, strontium chloride also 6H2O, but barium chloride with 2H2O. So tendency of given hydrated salt is decreases. MgCl2, calcium chloride, strontium chloride gives 6H2O, where barium chloride gives only 2H2O. It means it has a less attraction toward water from top to bottom. Understood? Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.